So hello, we are now in the day number 5 of Gower's ReactOS Hackfest, and um, we have a lot of news to share. We will share some now, and probably some other cool news tomorrow morning. But now, Alexei is not with us. He had to leave to Russia, so I'm in charge of saying you hello and introduce this new day. Today we did a lot of things, and Daniel, which has had the settings days today, has moved too fast and too forward. And so, Daniel, what have you been doing during today? Because I've seen a lot of commits coming from Jira, a lot of stuff going in your computer. So, okay, tell us a little bit about what is going on.
Hello, hello. Yeah, what did I commit? Everyone was able to see it, but I'll try to explain some of it.
Yes, please.
Hopefully. Well, most of it were patches for the ReactOS application downloader, database, some updates, some new applications which were tested and seemed to run, maybe not. Yeah. The second biggest part was graphical user interface stuff, symbols, for example, mostly by one guy. By the way, hi, Jared. Yeah, what else did I do? I made a new ReactOS build environment installer.
Well, a new version of the ReactOS environment installer?
Yes, it's still in testing phase. Just updated some tools, and SVN is updated too, that it does a job again. It was way too old.
Oh.
Yeah, and
which are the main features in the changelog for this new
features? I added some stuff for Microsoft Visual C support, like path environment is used now for finding the binaries.
Oh, that's cool, because I remember that we had been adding manually version through version in order to support it.
It was quite hackish, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I still plan to completely include Microsoft Visual C compiler into the well-known command line interface. Right now, it's still a bit hackish and does not really work, but I'll find a way, and when this is done, we can make a final version of it. Yeah, what else? Regarding why there are not so many people here, I have to say I'm sorry, because it might be my fault too. Yeah, it is that way. My idea was to bring some good beer with me, some very good beer, and we decided to drink it yesterday and the day before yesterday. We called it Beer Fest number 1 and number 2. Yeah, results, some people are not here today because of a very nice hangover. Yeah, I still hope that they will show up, but I don't know when. Yeah, last one. I tested a translation tool by Cyberman. It can be found in the forums under the translation category. It seems to be quite useful. It will become even more useful, I hope. We try to show it. I installed a web server on my notebook to show it. So this is the interface of it. You can add a language code. I'm German, so I use German. It will take a while. It scans the source database, source folder directly on my PC. That's why I had to install it locally. And in that case, it shows me 5 resource files missing in the German translation for 5 applications. Of course, we can do that with anything else, like Russian, for example. It will take a while. There are some more. Yeah. The feature I'm really looking forward to is missing strings, because sometimes we have the problem that the English resource file was updated, but only the English one, and no one sees it or sees it way too late. And yeah, right now it does something, but yeah, it shows stuff that don't even understand why it shows it.
Well, it's better.
It's better, yeah. You see it here. So it's better than our alpha studies. Yeah, what else? Did we have anything else to say? No, I think I'm done here.
Okay. So I know that you are leaving tomorrow. Not today.
No, in about 20 minutes.
In about 20 minutes. Okay, that's cool. I know why.
Yeah.
It's his birthday tomorrow, so he had to go with his family.
Yes.
Okay, so okay, we are missing another guy, but we have all the computers prepared, and we have over there Colin. Hi, Colin.
Hi.
Oh, yeah, here we are. So, what have you been doing today? What was going on?
Well, it was mostly my thesis stuff again, which I'm currently writing, as already told on a previous live stream. I'm currently right before finishing the implementation part, which is one of the bigger chapters of that thesis. And the cool thing about Hackfest is that I can actually show my written text to the ReactOS guys as well. So they can examine it and check if there are any mistakes. And after all, I also want to publish it for ReactOS, but well, due to academic requirements, this is not doable right away. You will only see the finished text, which will be approximately in the beginning of October, I see.
So, in the beginning of October, we are going to have some documentation of the printing subsystem.
Yes, indeed.
Wow.
This is my goal. This is why I'm writing in English, even if that was just
not pretty
decision.
short in time, really.
Yes, you are totally right.
Yeah, in 2 months.
I have some more work to do, and this is why I even during Hackfest I focus mostly on my thesis.
Thesis. Oh, that's cool. That's cool because
I still hope that some people will show up today, so I can show some parts of the thesis. But let's see how that turns out.
Oh, cool. Anyone over there who wants to share some news, or you keep calling?
No.
And whoop, they are still coding and trying to find some results from the code. Well, I can tell you about the website. Oh my gosh, what to tell about the website? I've been working with the website lately, trying to know how, or trying to find with Colin a way to integrate the Drupal website that I have already done with our current Drupal website. The main issue is that we move the databases from current website and we populate in the new website. We are going to have several issues. Some of them could be from broken links of news and newsletters. Other issues could be are going to happen. That some IDs from the nodes that Drupal uses are going to be messed up. So that could lead up to some several issues too, regarding links that other websites are linking into ReactOS, and maybe they are going to reach a beautiful 404 error page not found. So well, it's taking us a little to know how to integrate or how to move from one Drupal website over the other. Right now, one of the solutions is to pick the current website, move to the playground, strip all possible modules and unneeded things, and recreate again the website that I have already done on top from scratch again. Yeah, but also we will face another issue, which is that this will take time, and during this time we are going to create newsletters, news, posts, and so both database will be again completely unsynced. So we will have to manually sync until it's perfect. So yeah, it's not an easy way to decide how to perform correctly, because well, as many of you know, I hate Drupal too much. Yeah, already I have to recreate the website about 3 times just because it loves to kabooms the databases. Well, it seems a little bit odd that we have to be so cautious. But well, ReactOS is also a project which you have to be cautious to. So well, we are trying to do our best. There is a lot of the website already done, and just trying to find the best way to move into Playground and from Playground to Live, because well, it has several services like Jira, Dosigen, MediaWiki, Forum, PHPV. So we have to be cautious. And well, the LDAP server, LDAP server that you know too. So, well, that's for me my report of the day. Working in the website as mad. I made some beautiful designs. Hope so. And yeah, it looks completely different. Hope you like too. Um, about the day. Oh, I today Thomas is not here. We didn't tell that Thomas is not here. He had to leave the Hackfest, but he's still coding from his home. And today he gave us a really good news. That is that VLC is working without a hack. As you may know, we had issues with VLC some time ago, and we created a hack to make it work properly. Right now, today, Thomas, after 2 days debugging and working so hard in our memory manager, he was able to find the issue, to fix it, and well, it also fixes several other memory management issues. So that's cool because it means we can be, we are closer to have a real good memory manager. For now, that's all. The rest of the guys, some left to buy some things and so on. But hope tomorrow we can be all together here. Sadly, Daniel won't be with us, but we will have still his beers. So today, so today we will have Dreamer inside of us. Well, it's just
Be careful. Be careful with it.
yeah. I will try to control our guys. But yeah, as you know, Hackfest is not just about hacking and coding, but also about having some fun. And well, I think it was a wonderful experience. I think, but we meet each other. It's a pity that a couple of guys couldn't be here because I know that they wanted to be here. And well, that's the report of today. There is a lot of things that Christoph has been working at, really interesting things, but I want to spoil it until Christoph is here because it's his work. So let's give him let's wait until he tells you about what's going on. And well, Timos also has been working on several things. Let's wait. He updates you about his work. Well, hope to see you tomorrow morning with our next live streaming. And again, if you have any questions, just draw them or write to us via Twitter, via Facebook, emails, whatever, and we will try to answer them as soon as possible. So bye-bye, and see you tomorrow.